Okay, let me go ahead and give this one a try that we did in class and that I didn't do so well on because of my drawings were not very accurate. So we're going to take 3/4 and we're going to divide it by 1/3. So again, my suggestion is going to be using the common denominator. 4 and 3, the common denominator is going to be 12. So when I make my strips, I want to make them in divisions, things that are divided into 12. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually invert and multiply to kind of see in advance where I'm going. So my final answer is going to be something in terms of 9/4. Okay. So I start off with what I have is 3/4. So I want to just make them a strip about this long. And I'm going to make it 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is my strip. You can make them just 2 if you want. I just want to make them a little bit wider. So there's my strip. And I want 3/4. So since it's 12 long, if I go every 3, right? 1, 2, 3, that's going to give me 4 pieces. For these pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 4 pieces. I have 3/4 of the pieces. So I have this shaded area here. So that's what I have. I'm going to divide that. I want to figure out how many copies of 1/3 fit in there. So I need to draw 1/3 in terms of this original. So there's a piece that's a 1, so I'll draw that. And again, I think you'll find if you use grid paper, like I should have done, anyway, it'll be a lot easier. Now, to divide it into thirds, we actually have to go 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a third right there. And we'll just go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's another third, and then another third. So then the question is, how many 1/3s are there in 3/4? So we have the green one, and here's 1/3, right? And here's a second third. And we still have a little bit more to go, so we'll bring that down here. And so what is this piece? This extra little piece. So we've got 1 2/3. And how much is this? Well, in reference to a third, it is 1, 2, 3. It's 1/4 of a third. It makes no sense. Maybe not. Eventually, someday it will. But in reference to a third, it's a 1/4 piece of a third, which is really what we're looking for. And so if you look at how many of these pieces that are 1/4 that we have, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We also have 9/4, and that's the answer we have up here. 2/4 and 9/4 are equivalent. 2 and 1/4 is the mixed number. 9/4 is an improper fraction. So again, I apologize. You could see how close it is right here. You really need to use graph paper. It'll be helpful. But if you take this approach, get the common denominator, and that gives you your number of pieces on some graph paper, you'll be able to do a nice comparison. And then when you're looking how much is left over, then there's where it's a 1/4 of a 1/3. All right. Hopefully this was helpful, and apologize for the confusion. I most definitely, certainly feel like I caused. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Hope all goes well. Thank you.